Hello friends, welcome back to the lecture series on engineering mathematics. In previous module we have discussed about indeterminate forms, 0 upon 0, infinity upon infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0 and infinity raised to 0. These are 7 indeterminate forms and which can be solved by using different method of solvings, out of which most usual method is application of L'Hopital rule, or someone can pronounce it as L-Hospital rule. So in previous module we discussed the examples on 0 upon 0 indeterminate form. In this module we are going to discuss about the next indeterminate forms. Let's consider one example to evaluate limit of a function as x tends to infinity, x raised to n upon e raised to kx, where k is the constant. And to evaluate this limit, say we call that limit as L. And as x tends to infinity, if you substitute x is equal to infinity in the numerator, we get infinity. Denominator will be e raised to infinity, again that will be infinite. So we are getting the indeterminate form, infinity upon infinity. So if we apply L'Hopital rule, so according to the statement, as limit x tends to infinity, derivative of numerator in the numerator upon derivative of denominator in the denominator. Again, if you substitute the limits as x tends to infinity, we get numerator as well as denominator infinite, which will lead us to indeterminate form, infinity upon infinity. Again, applying the same n into n minus 1, x raised to n minus 2 upon k square e raised to kx. Again, if you substitute the limits, we get indeterminate form. So we continue this process till we get non-indeterminate form. So if you differentiate the function n times, then we get n factorial. Nth derivative of denominator will be k raised to n into e raised to kx. And now we substitute the limits. Your numerator is non-zero, non-infinite. The denominator term as infinity. But as we know, value of 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. And this will be the required limit of the function, and which is the required answer. Again, similarly, we can discuss one more example. Evaluate the limit of function log to the base x tan x as x tends to 0. Let L be the required limit of the given function. To simplify, we can rewrite the function as, by using change of base formula, we have log of tan x upon log of x. And if we substitute the limits, then we get, as x tends to 0, tan 0 is 0 and log 0 is infinity. Same is the case with log 0. In the denominator will tend to infinity. So this is the indeterminate form, 0 upon 0. Then by applying L'Hopital rule, we get derivative of numerator will be 1 upon tan x into derivative of tan x will be sec square x. So that will be your function in the numerator. And in the denominator, we get 1 by x. If we simplify this, we get x upon tan x into sec square x. If you consider this bracket carefully, then we can evaluate that limit as x tends to 0, and we can rewrite it as 1 upon tan x upon x. And we know that standard formula. Limit of tan x upon x as x tends to 0 is equal to 1 into the same function sec square x. So as x tends to 0, this will be 1 upon 1, and value of sec 0 is equal to 1. So sec square 0 will be 1. So that will be the required value. So let's take some examples for your exercise. Show that as x tends to 0, limit of log x upon cot x is equal to 0. Also you can try limit x tends to 0, log to the base sine x of sine 2x is equal to 1. If you simplify the second example, adjust the terms, then we get indeterminate form infinity upon infinity.